What if your software didn't just answer your questions, but could actively solve complex problems, plan its own steps, and even learn from its mistakes, all on its own? It sounds like science fiction, but this isn't just a prediction for the distant future. It's already emerging, and by 2026, it's set to revolutionize everything. Welcome back to Kuya AI, and today we're diving deep into the game changer that's moving us beyond simple chatbots, the era of autonomous AI agents. So, what exactly is an AI agent, and how is it different from the generative AI tools we've become familiar with, like ChatGPT or Midjourney? Think of it this way. Current generative AI is like a brilliant but somewhat passive tool. You give it a prompt, it generates a response. It's fantastic for specific tasks: writing an email, generating an image, summarizing text. But it doesn't have inherent goals, nor can it proactively break down a complex task into multiple subtasks, execute them sequentially, and then self-correct if things go wrong. An AI agent, on the other hand, is designed to be goal-oriented. You give it a high-level objective. Say, research the market for sustainable packaging solutions and draft a report. And it goes to work. It might autonomously decide to search the web, analyze data, compare supplier information, generate a first draft, identify gaps, refine its search, and then produce a comprehensive report, all with minimal human intervention. It has memory, enabling it to learn from past interactions and adapt its strategies. It can even interact with other software, databases, and APIs to achieve its objective. This isn't just about generating text, it's about executing an entire process. This leap from reactive tools to proactive partners is what we at Kuya AI call the Agentic Leap. It's a shift from AI as a feature to AI as an autonomous actor. Imagine a personal AI assistant that doesn't just schedule your meetings, but anticipates your needs, proactively manages your calendar, books travel based on your preferences and previous trips, and even handles follow-ups. For a small business owner, this could mean an AI agent managing your entire customer service pipeline, from initial inquiry to resolution, escalating only the most complex cases. Or a marketing agent that monitors trends, generates content ideas, drafts social media posts, and even schedules campaigns, all while learning what resonates best with your audience. In software development, we're already seeing nascent forms of AI agents that can write, test, and debug code, accelerating development cycles dramatically. These agents aren't just performing simple, repetitive tasks. They're engaging in complex problem-solving, strategic planning, and iterative improvement. They are, in essence, self-driving software. So, what does this mean for your business and your career here in early 2026 and beyond? For SME owners, AI agents represent an unprecedented opportunity to scale operations without scaling headcount proportionally. Imagine having a virtual team of highly efficient, tireless employees working 24/7 on tasks like lead generation, market research, personalized outreach, or even initial legal document drafting. This isn't about replacing your entire workforce. It's about augmenting it, allowing your human talent to focus on creativity, strategy, and complex human interactions that AI still struggles with. Professionals across industries will also see their roles transform. Instead of spending hours on data aggregation or report drafting, you'll become the orchestrator or manager of AI agents, setting their objectives, refining their strategies, and interpreting their outputs. The demand for prompt engineering will evolve into agent orchestration, the skill of effectively designing, deploying, and overseeing these autonomous systems. This isn't a future where humans are removed from the loop. It's one where our cognitive load shifts towards higher-level strategic thinking and value creation, with AI agents handling the operational grunt work. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and AI agents introduce a new layer of challenges and ethical considerations. The primary concern is control and oversight. If an agent is autonomously executing tasks, what happens when it makes a mistake? Or worse, acts in a way that's unintended or harmful? The infamous hallucinations we see in generative AI could have far more significant consequences when an agent is independently acting in the real world or within sensitive business systems. Security is another major hurdle. Autonomous agents interacting with multiple systems create new attack vectors. Could a malicious actor hijack an agent to exploit vulnerabilities or exfiltrate data? Then there's the question of bias. If an agent learns from biased historical data, it could perpetuate or even amplify those biases in its autonomous actions, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Finally, the societal impact on employment cannot be ignored. While we talk about augmentation and role transformation, the reality is that some jobs, particularly those involving routine cognitive tasks, will inevitably be displaced. It's crucial that as a society we prepare for this shift, focusing on reskilling and new opportunities. So, where do we go from here? By late 2026, we at Kuya AI predict a rapid acceleration in the specialization and sophistication of AI agents. We'll move beyond general-purpose agents to highly specialized ones for specific domains: medical diagnostics, legal research, advanced scientific discovery, complex financial modeling. The concept of agent orchestration will become a mainstream skill, with platforms emerging to help individuals and businesses deploy, monitor, and manage entire fleets of interconnected agents working towards a common goal. We'll see more robust safety protocols and regulatory frameworks emerging to govern their deployment. The future isn't just about powerful individual AIs. It's about ecosystems of intelligent agents collaborating, communicating, and continuously learning from each other, creating a truly intelligent layer over our digital and physical worlds. The challenge and opportunity will be to design these systems responsibly, ensuring they serve humanity's best interests. The rise of autonomous AI agents is not just another trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and how work gets done. It promises unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation, but it also demands our careful attention to ethical deployment and societal impact. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the operational reality that many businesses and professionals will navigate in the coming years. What are your thoughts on AI agents? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have significant concerns? Let us know in the comments below. Your insights fuel the conversation here at Kuya AI. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, please hit that like button, share this video, and make sure you're subscribed to Kuya AI for more deep dives into the future of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious.